Okay. Okay, so the presidential candidate, it's out now, and he says he wants to take a little walk around the neighborhood to actually see what is happening around his community. But as it is now, he said he came back home to actually do his early morning mass, and he wants to take a little walk around the community to ascertain the situation around him. So we'll give you more details as it unfolds.
There's no difference, there's no small man. Everybody's equal. We look like a family. Not where people say, oh, I'm too much. We do there. I'm not quarreling with anybody in this village.
So, part of the global talk, tell us what are the nuances of Agulu town, about the Agulu, just be the village man that you are.
We love each other here.
Okay.
I love everybody here. Just like I love humanity. I show compassion to humanity. Humanity is another part. Discrimination or feeling special. Whatever we have, like I told them yesterday. Where was that? I told them yesterday, whatever we have is grace. It's not by our power. He is the one who grants us grace. So we must live through that grace. So we don't abuse it. That's why if I have opportunity to serve, I serve the people, not steal their money, because it's by His grace. It wasn't by my power. The reason why people are here and are looking at me by His grace.
Yeah.
If He takes it away, you won't be here. You know.
So, what would be the very first thing you would do if you're elected president?
They don't use that phone now, cover everything now. Why?
Besides this now,
The very first thing you would do
thank God.
if elected president.
Thank God. And care for the people.
What of otherwise?
So we can't talk about anybody's support now. But they are not supporting me. Nobody is supporting me. Those who are supporting me are supporting themselves. I'm supporting myself as well. We want a better Nigeria. So when you take it that you're supporting me, you're thinking it's me. I'm equally feeling the burden of that support. Because it's not for free. People are placing their hope on you. So you have to be praying to God every day. God, give me the grace to serve Him faithfully. Because it's a trust. Like somebody, I used to be a banker. Do you know what banking is all about? Trust. Somebody is giving you his money to keep. So if anything goes wrong with it, will you give it tomorrow? That's how election is. When I came here to the government, I promised I'll change school, I'll change this, I'll change this. And people will say, they trust. There was something they hoped on when they voted for me. That's what people are doing now. This obedience is not for free. It's a trust. I can't betray that. Otherwise, God will punish me. It has to be my children for betraying their trust. Because it's trust. It's not free. People are saying to me, I'm giving you this to keep for me. It's a different thing if they had come to me and say, okay, Oga, take this thing, go and chop, go and enjoy yourself. But they're saying, no, they will come. Give them time. Right? They are coming small.
Some of your community members are actually concerned about the issue, the Naira policy issue. That is to say that most of them do not have access to cash. Do you think this may actually
I
affect?
don't have to. We're all the same thing now. It's only big men that have access to cash. As I'm speaking to you here, I don't have.
So if
I'm not going.
So you have taught Nigeria and you
I
have
have one big man here. You may have access to the cash.
So you have taught Nigeria. You have taught Nigeria. You have
That's our lifestyle. So that's what I do. I do it every day. Just like you are. You're my sister. Thank you. Yes. For 4 days, the African African Bank. You know.
What are the experiments from the region are you hoping to be inspired by to fix Nigeria's problems.
They will see.
Okay, this is the presidential candidate of Labour Party taking a walk around his neighborhood, trying to ascertain the situation around his neighborhood. You know, trying to see, greet his kindred or his community people. You know, this is him. This is him making sure that everywhere is very okay. He's just opposite his polling unit, which has just been arranged, as you can see. His polling unit has just been arranged. So anytime now, we're expecting the INEC officials to come in.
Where are you? All I'm doing now is discriminate against people. What else? Let me tell you that. You should be able to be free with human beings, and they must be free with you. If you can't take picture with me, how will I know that things are good or bad? It is the people, you don't know everything, it's the people that teach you when you listen to them. Let me see that.
Also decided to support